drafting reports, writing code, or researching market trends. Tasks that once required days of concentrated effort are finishing in 30 seconds. The speed of production is accelerating beyond our traditional expectations of a workday. This creates a specific anxiety. Is the software going to take your job, or will the person who knows how to use the software take your spot? For most of history, automation lived on the left side of the scale, replacing physical muscle. The current shift is targeting the intellect, bringing automation to cognitive, brain-based tasks for the first time. Because these tools process information rather than materials, white-collar professionals are facing the same pressures that factory workers experienced a century ago. This panic follows a predictable pattern. Major technological shifts usually cause a period of displacement, followed by a massive expansion of the overall workforce. In the early industrial era, workers on car assembly lines feared that electricity and heavy machinery would make their skills irrelevant. Those fears were realized for specific manual roles, as industrial robotics took over repetitive physical tasks. We saw it again in the 90s. The arrival of the internet and personal computers made many administrative roles obsolete. Yet these tools simultaneously built the foundations for digital marketing, software development, and app design. This revolution shares the same DNA as the industrial one. It is simply moving at a significantly higher velocity. Understanding which jobs are at risk requires looking at how these systems actually function. Large language models are not sentient. They do not possess feelings or independent logic. These systems are built on pattern recognition. By scanning massive datasets, the software makes a statistical prediction of which word should come next in a sentence. Because the software relies on established patterns, it excels at tasks governed by predictable rules. If a job involves repeating the same logical steps every day, it is highly vulnerable to this kind of automation. This places pressure on fields like basic data entry, routine financial reporting, and standard translation, work that focuses more on following a process than making a unique judgment. While these roles won't disappear overnight, the efficiency gains are significant. A company that once required 10 people for routine reporting might find that 3 people using AI are sufficient to handle the load. This creates a safe zone for roles that require deep empathy, complex physical interaction, or high-stakes risk-taking. Doctors, teachers, plumbers, and entrepreneurs rely on human judgment that software cannot yet replicate. Even in technical fields, these tools are limited by hallucinations, the tendency for AI to generate false information with absolute confidence. Because of these errors, the software cannot legally or functionally serve as a final decision maker. It remains an assistant that requires a human to verify every result. The professional struggle is evolving. It is becoming less about the machine itself and more about how the labor market values different skill sets. The person who masters these tools is the one who will meet the production demands of the modern firm. In a competitive environment, the employee who ignores AI risks being replaced by the colleague who uses it to finish a day's work in an hour. Navigating this shift requires specific human skills. Critical thinking evaluates suggestions, and communication translates results into value. Creativity finds novel solutions, and leadership guides teams through uncertainty. Finally, AI literacy acts as the bridge, allowing you to use these systems to amplify your expertise. A degree is a baseline. The ability to pivot and learn new tools as they emerge is becoming the primary measure of career longevity. You can start this transition today by spending 30 minutes every day experimenting with these tools. Use them to summarize long documents, draft routine correspondence, or organize your personal research. Workers who ignore these tools risk stagnation, while those who integrate them expand what they can produce in a single shift. AI marks the start of a period where human output is heavily amplified by digital assistants. Embracing these systems turns a potential threat into a tool, providing a necessary edge in a fast-moving market.